Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to run Microsoft Defender. All right. So basically, we're going to do a scan for viruses on our computer. To do that, just go ahead over to your search bar and type in Defender. Okay. Go ahead and click on Windows Security. Click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead and click on Virus and Threat Protection. Click on it. Now go ahead and click on Scan Options. Okay. Click on it. And then here we have 4 options. We have quick scan, full scan, custom scan. All right. For custom scan, you'll be able to choose which files and locations you want to check. Also, you can go ahead and use Microsoft Defender Antivirus Offline Scan. It says here some malicious software can be particularly difficult to remove from your device. Microsoft Defender Antivirus Offline Scan can help find and remove them using the up-to-date threat definitions. This will restart your computer or device and will take about 15 minutes. Okay. Now, if I were you, I'm going to be using full scan. This one is better, as it states here, it's going to check all files and running programs on your hard disk, and the scan could take longer than an hour. Okay. Now just go ahead and click on full scan or quick scan, then go ahead and click on scan now. As you can see here, it is now running. So what you're going to do next is just wait for it to finish. You can go ahead and minimize this one and do whatever you want to do on your computer. And once done, after every scan, go ahead and restart your computer and everything should work perfectly fine now. Okay. And again, you'll have to make sure that under home right here, everything is enabled. Okay. Account protection, click on it, make sure that it is enabled. App and browser control, device security, click on it and make sure that everything is set to green. Okay. And that's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.